Let us start simplification class 6 question 66. Question 66 is 1 by x plus y equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y. You have to find out the value of x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube to be pointed out. X cube minus y cube. That means you will have to apply the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is x cube minus y cube. See here, a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Again, this will be x minus y and this will be 0 after the calculation of this one. Okay, that means you will be getting the value of this equals to 0 from this, and that 0 is multiplied with x minus y, and if you multiply anything by 0, the result is 0 itself. That means your answer will be 0. See here, you have to see only now the value of x square plus xy plus y square equals to 0 coming from this. This is 1 by x plus y after calculation. This will be xy, this is y plus x, again this will be x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square equals to xy. That means x square plus y square plus 2xy plus equals to xy. That means this is x square plus xy plus y square equals to 0. I showed here the value of x square plus y square equals to 0 coming from this equation, and that has been put here in order to get the answer. Finally, you got the answer of the question. That means x cube minus y cube will be equal to 0 only. Be noted fast. I will be coming having question number 67 now. See, next question is question number 67. That is almost the same as question 66 was. Okay, this is x by y plus y by x equals to minus 1, and you have to point out the value of 2x cube minus y cube. That means your answer will be again 0. Your answer will be again 0. Okay. See, if you solve this, LCM will be xy, this will be x square, this will be y square, this will be minus 1. Again, x square plus y square equals to minus xy. Again, x square plus xy plus y square equals to 0. See here, if you go through this way, you have already gone through. X cube minus y cube equals to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square, and you got the value of this from here, that is 0. Answer will be 0 again. Note down, question number 67 is exactly the same as question number 66 was. Note down. Now question number 68. If 2x plus 1 by 3x equals to 4, you have to find out the value of 27x cube plus 1 by 8x cube equals to what? That means, see here, since this is 2x and this is 27x cube, certainly indirectly the question says you will have to cubing both sides. You will have to cube both sides. That means after cubing this will be x cube, but this can't be 27 after cubing. That means here would have been 3 in place of 2. You make that. That means you will have to multiply the given equation by 3 by 2. If you multiply the given equation by 3 by 2, see here 3 by 2 be multiplied, this will be like this, 2 by 3, 3 by 2 into 4. Now this is 3x, this is 3x, and this will be 1 by 2x, and this is 6. After cubing both sides, you go through the formula a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b, and 6 cube is 216. This to be pointed, or this is called expression that has been demanded. You must write only expression. In order to save the time, minimum writing will save your time certainly. This will be cancelled, and this is 216 minus here. This is value of this is 6. That means 2 3 are 6. That means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. Thus you got the value of this expression equals to 16 minus 7, 9, 20 minus 2, 16 minus 7, 189 perhaps. Okay, this is your final answer. Be noted, question number 68, answer is 189. Of course, the right answer is, okay, note down fast. See, question 69, if x plus 1 by x equals to 6, x power 6 plus x power 4 plus x power 2 plus 1 by x cube equals to what? See, that means firstly you have to go through this. After division, this will be x cube, this will be x, this will be 1 by x, this will be 1 by x cube. That means you got here two expressions, one x cube plus 1 by x cube, and another other x plus 1 by x. That means you got two expressions here. One is x cube plus 1 by x cube, and the other is x plus 1 by x. That means this is 6. That means you will be putting 6 here, but you will have to get you will have to have the value of this from this. That means you have already gone through. If x plus 1 by x equals to 6, and you have to find out the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, that is find out 6 3 power or minus 6 into 3. From this to be pointed out. For this, what do you do? That means 6 cube minus 6 into 3. This is 216 and this is 18. That means this is 198. This must be put here. 198 plus the value of this is 6. That means 204 is your final answer. Match the answer first. 204 is the right answer of question number 69. Be noted fast. Now Question number 70. If 4p by p square minus 4p plus 4 equals to 1 by 4 and demanded p square plus 16 by p square equals to what? See here. Firstly, calculate this. You may divide this by p, or you may have cross multiplication as well. See here. If you take the help of cross multiplication, this will be like this, and this will be 16p square. Again 16p square, that will be 15p square plus 4p minus 4 equals to 0. See here, this is 60, 10, 6. This is 60, that means plus 10 minus 6. After multiplication, minus 60. That means you are getting the value of p here, 6 by 15, 6 by positive, minus this must be ignored as the sign is negative here. This will be accepted. You got 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. That means value of p is like this. Let me solve this question through this way. What the answer comes here? P square, that means 4 by 25 plus 16 by p square means 4 by 25. That means this is 4 by 25 plus this will be 100 perhaps. Your answer will be like this, 392. That means see here, this is the variation. If the question is solved through the basic way, let me see once again, then I will be coming coming for actual solution of this question. That will be the division of this by p, and certainly that way will be the right way for this situation. Okay. But let us see here once again in order to discuss the value of this. That means if you cross multiply here, that means this is p square minus 4p plus 4. This is 16p only. Mistake was there, 16p. Now see here, 16p. Now the next step is p square minus 16p 20p plus 4 equals to 0. Now you are not able to have the value of p from this quadratic equation through manual way. That means you will have to have the support of p equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the value of p is not coming very suitable digits. That means no need to apply this method here. I showed you here. Now come for the right approach for this question. That means you will have to divide all this by p. That means if you divide this by p, this is 4. If you divide this by p, this is p, this is 4, this is 4 by p, and this is 1 by 4. Now this will be like this, p plus 4 by p minus 4 equals to 16. That means p plus 4 by p equals to 20. Now you have to have the value of this from this. That means certainly if you want to have this value from this, you do 20 square. Let me write the expression, p square plus 16 by p square. That means this will be pointed out, 20 square minus 2, 398 will be the right answer. Be noted, 398 should be the right answer, and it is so. See, question number 71. that is x plus 1 by x equals to 6. X plus 1 by x equals to 6 and x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2x to be pointed out. By 2x to be pointed out. That means see here. If you divide all these by 2x, certainly here will be, you have to point out x plus, you should divide the numerator by x and the denominator by x. See here. If you divide this by x, this is x, this is 2, this is 1 by x. And if you divide this by x, so this is 2 only. Now, x plus 1 by x, see here, x plus 1 by x is 6 only. This is 2, this is 2. Your answer is only 4. Note down. The question was very simple. Certainly you have to watch the situation inside the question. That means the picture inside the question is you will have to watch, and if you watch the inside matter, certainly the question will be solved very easily. Now come to question number 72. Is, see here, x equals to a plus 1 by a, y equals to a minus 1 by a, and demand is x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2 x square y square is. This is your question. Okay, see, this expression is just like x square minus y square whole square. This expression is x square minus y square whole square. Now, x square minus y square is only x plus y, x minus y whole square. That means the question indicates you that you have to find out the value of x plus y from this. If you get the value of x plus y from here, certainly verbally you can say x plus y, this will be cancelled, and this is only 2a. But let me write here in order to make you understand very easily. This is plus, this is, certainly this will be cancelled, and this is 2a. Again, if you want to have the value of x minus y that is needed here, certainly you will have to find out. This will be a plus 1 by a minus 1 by a. That means a will be cancelled here, and this will be 2 by a. Certainly you got the values of x plus y, that is 2a. You got the value of x minus y, that is 2 by a. That should be here. That means x plus y equals to 2a into this is 2 by a whole square. That means 4 square equals to 16. This is your final answer. Be noted. Now, question number 73. See, question number 73 is, if x plus y plus y, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z equals to 0, you have to find out the value of x square by yz plus y square by xz plus z square by xy. See here, you have to remember one formula to be applied here, as if a plus b plus c equals to 0, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube must be equal to 3abc. This formula should be remembered by you, and this is to be applied here in order to get the answer. See here, your expression is in the form of, firstly have the LCM of x, y, y, z, z, x. This will be x, y, z. yz will be cancelled, x will be multiplied here, this will be x cube, xz will be cancelled, y will be multiplied here, this will be y cube, xy will be cancelled, z will be multiplied here, this will be z cube. That means, see here, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. That means you put the value of this 3xyz and this is xyz. Certainly after cancellation the answer is 3. Be noted, only this formula should be remembered by you. This formula should be remembered by you. If you remember this formula, what is the formula? If a plus b plus c equals to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3 into a into b into c, and that must be put here. After putting the value, certainly you are getting the right answer, and you got the right answer. That is only 3 here. Be noted. Question number 74 is x plus 1 by y equals to 1, y plus 1 by z equals to 1, and demand is x plus 1 by z equals to what? Z plus 1 by x, sorry. Z plus 1 by x. See, since x plus 1 by y equals to 1, y plus 1 by z equals to 1, z plus 1 by x must be equal to 1, it appears. That means if you go through the guessing method, certainly answer must be equal to 1. Okay, see here. Now the situation will be solved just like this. You have a theme here. If z plus 1 by x to be pointed out, certainly z and x must be pointed out from here. That means you can have the value of x here from here, you can have the value of z from here. That means this equation will be giving you the value of x, this equation will be giving you the value of z. Those must be put here. See here, x equals to 1 minus 1 by y, x equals to y minus 1 by y. Similarly, 1 by z equals to 1 minus y, 1 by z equals to 1 by z equals to 1 minus y, and you need only z, that is 1 by 1 minus y. You need here 1 by x, this will be reversed, y minus 1. See here, thus you got the value of z. Expression must be equal to 1 by 1 minus y into, sorry, plus 1 by x is y by y minus 1. Now this is 1 by 1 minus y, here minus, this is again like this. That means LCM is 1 minus y, this is 1 minus y. You got the answer, that is only 1. That means the question number 74 answering only 1. That's, the value of given expression is only 1 coming. Say, question number 75 is 75. Y plus 1 by z equals to 1. X plus 1 by y equals to 1. X into y into z equals to what? See here. Again the question is almost same. That means you have to have the value of x, y and z. You can have the value x into y into z to be pointed out. For that, you have to have all the values in a single respect. That means x must be in respect to y, y is y, z must be in respect to y, what be easier there? That means, see here, you can have value of z in y. You can have value of z in y. That means also you can have a value of x in respect to y. This is y minus 1 by y, and this is z is 1 by 1 minus y. Now put the value here. X equals to into y is y, z equals to 1 by 1 minus y. See here, this y will be cancelled with this one, and this will be cancelled by this in minus 1 time. This is your final answer. Check the answer of question number 75. That must be minus 1, and I think it is so. Minus 1 must be the right answer. Of course, this is option A. Minus A is the right answer. Be noted. Be noted. Now the next question is question number 76. Be noted fast. Now question number 76. 76. See. 76. Question is x power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 equals to z power 1 by 3. Question is x power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 equals to z power 1 by 3, and the demand is x plus y minus z whole cube, x plus y minus z whole cube plus 27xyz equals to what? See here. It is very much clear from the question given. That means this is given, this is to be pointed out. It is certain that you have to have cubing both sides. You have to have cubing both sides. That means after cubing, this will be go through a plus b whole cube equals to, you put 3 power here, 3 power here as well. That means a plus b whole cube is a cube. Cube of this is only x. Cube of this is only y. A plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a b bracket a plus b. Again, the cube of this is only z. Now you got the value of x plus y minus z equals to minus z equals to minus 3. This will be going that way. Minus 3 x power 1 by 3 y power 1 by 3, and this is z. See here, this is z 1 cube. Again cubing both sides gives you x plus y minus z whole cube equals to cube of this, that is negative 27 xyz. Now see, your expression is, see here, the value of this is minus 27 xyz, and this is 27 xyz. Certainly answer will be coming only 0. Be noted. Very easy situation, but the question is a long a bit, you can say. The question is lengthy a bit. In order to solve such type of questions, certainly you have to think about the internal matter. Cubing both sides will to be applied here. Certainly, if you apply cubing both sides, you get the way in order to reach the solution. Now, question number 77. Be thoughts here. Question number 77. Think upon it. This is The question is brand new. This has been asked in SSC CGL level, but this question appears in intermediate board, okay, in ISC algebra. If T1 equals to 1, T2 equals to 2, and one equation given to you, Tn plus 1 equals to Tn plus Tn minus 1. This is an equation given to you, and you have to point out the value of T5. This is demanded here, okay? T5 has been demanded here. This is a question from algebra intermediate science. If you put the value of n is 1 here in this equation, certainly this will be T2, 1 plus 1 T2. This is T1, this is let me see, T3, that means 2 to be put here, okay? N equals to 2, T3, T2, and 2 minus 1, 1. That means you got the value of T3, that is 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Again, if you put the value of n is n3 here, this will be 4, 3 plus 1, this will be 3, this will be 2. Again, T3 is 3, T3 is 3, T2 is 2, you got the value of T4 as well, T3, T4. Now you have to have the value of T5 only. For that, you have to put n equals to 4. You get here T5 equals to T4 plus T3. T4 is 5, T3 is 3. That means your answer is only 8. Be noted. This is a brand new question for your examination point of view, but this is very much older question in intermediate syllabus. This is an equation for this question particularly. This is not a formula. This can't be used elsewhere. Certainly you have to use only this formula for this situation only, for this question only. No need to remember this formula, as this is not a formula. This is a situational formula, you can say. This formula is limited for this question only, you can say. Now, coming to question number 78. This is very much older question, you can say, but the question is very important. See here, 0.75 whole cube, 1 minus 0.75 plus 0.75 plus 0.75 whole square plus 2 perhaps plus 1 under root equals to what? See here, the question is very much easy, you can say, but if you calculate thinking very easily, certainly your time will be killed lots, as you will have to point out the value of 0.75 whole cube, 0.75 whole square, then LCM, very difficult situation will be there. If you apply some technical brain here, the question will be very easier as far as calculation is concerned. See here, for that you should adopt this way. That means 0.75. See here, 0.75 is 3 by 4 only. 0.75 is 3 by 4. How? 75 by 100. 25 3 is 75. 25 4 is 100. That means this one. 25 equals to 1 by 4. You have to put these values here. See here, under root. Now 3 by 4 whole cube, you may write down 27 by 64 by 0.25, this one 1 by 4, this will be 4 by 1 plus 0.75 3 by 4, 9 by 16 plus 1 under root. Now see here, LCM will be 16, LCM will be 16. That means this will be 27, this will be 12, this will be 9, this will be 16. Now this is 64, this is 16, that means this is under root 4, and you got the answer, that is 2 only. That means if you put here 0.75 equals to 3 by 4, 0.25 equals to 1 by 5, certainly calculation is very easy now. That's why I have told you no need to have the value of 0.75 whole cube, no need to have the value of 0.7 whole square, no need to have the value of 0.25. After multiplication you will be getting the right answer, but that will kill your time. Certainly you have to accept this way as I have solved this question. Okay, now coming to question number 79. Coming to question number 79. Question number 79 be noted. Question number 79 be noted. 79. Question number 79 is x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus z minus 5, z plus 5 whole square equals to 0, and you have to have the value of x plus y plus z. See here. For this situation, you have to remember if a square plus b square plus c square must equals to 0, a square plus b square plus c square equals to 0. In this case, a must be 0, b must be 0, c must be 0. That means in such a case every term will be just equal to 0, as if you put something else from 0 here, something else from 0 here, certainly that will be giving you some magnitude. Whether the base may be negative or positive, after squaring that will be positive. Certainly you can't have 0 here. That's why I have told you, if a square plus b square plus c square equals to 0, certainly a b c all must be equal to 0. That means a 0, b 0, c 0. According to that, x minus 2 is 0 and you got x equals to 2. Y minus 3 equals to 0 and you got y equals to 3. Z plus 5 equals to 0 and you got z equals to minus 5. Now in expression you put all the values. Okay, that means 2 plus 3 minus 5 equals to 0. This is your answer of question number 79. Be noted. Thus you solved question number 79 as well. See, question number 80. 6 bar 0.378 plus 3 bar 564 equals to. See here. This is called rack ring. See here, this is called rack ring. This is rack ring decimal. If you see a bar on the above of some digit, some number, certainly this is called rack ring if this is rightward from the decimal. Rightward from the decimal. If the sign of bar is leftward from the decimal, that is not related to rack ring. This is related to log or anti-log, you can say. See here. Log 1 by 2 was to be decided. That means we have to find the value of log 1 by 2. After solution, the expression is like this: log 1 minus log 2. Now log 1 is 0, log 2 is 0.301. This can be written as minus 1 plus 1, 0, 0.301. This is minus 1 plus 0.609. 9 1 10 1, that means 0 9 sorry 9 1 1.00, like this. See here, to be subtracted, 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 9 and this is 9 6. Okay, now this is 1.699 and this sign was put here. See here, this sign was put here. That means we have to remember here, if the sign of bar is rightward from the decimal, that is an example of recurring decimal. But if the sign of bar is leftward from the decimal point, as it is here, certainly this is related to this log. Okay. Now you got my point. Certainly you may see here, this is a bar upon 1 and this is -1. That means according to that your expression is here -6. This is -6 plus 0.378. Again this is -3 plus 0.567. Now this is -9. This is -9 plus 7, 8, 15, 7, 6, 13, 1, 14, 5, 3, 8, 1, 9. Again 9. This minus sign will be put here as a bar, 0.945. That means answer of this question is only this. This is important for SSC and railway. Both you can say SSC and railway. 9 bar 0.942 perhaps. 7. Let me see. This is 4 actually. That's why 4 plus 8, 2. Okay. Note down. This is your final answer. Let me convince once again. If there is a sign of bar above any digit, rightward from the decimal point, that happens for recurring decimal. But if the bar is leftward from the decimal, that is related to log, and that is only a sign of minus, you can say, upon the base. That means if here is a bar upon 6, certainly this is -6. Here is a bar upon 3. Here this is -3, and this is 0.378. This is 0.564. This will be added. You got -9. This will be added. You got 0.942. Certainly this will be 9.942. This is just like a bar. You got the answer of this question, and that is perfectly right. This question has been asked in SSC examination, SSC CGL. That's why you have to have such type of steps for such type of questions. Today just I am winding this topic here itself. This is the last question of today's class. Again I will be having from question 81 onwards from the simplification. Okay, thank you.